Listen, if you're new to getting in the stock market, here's a mistake I see people make over and over and over again. It's investing in companies that they don't understand just because they're popular. Well, today, I'm gonna give you two companies. I'm not talking about Apple, I'm not talking about Tesla, but I'm talking about two companies that are essential. They have real value, they have real leverage, they have real scale, and they have real growth. Once you get into these type of companies, it's gonna blow your mind. Listen, the companies, both of them right now, are up 65% year to date, and one of them is up 40% year to date. These are the type of companies that truly take your portfolio to another level. But before we dive in, here's what I want you to remember. The stock market always reward companies that solve problems, and companies will also see an increase in their stock price when companies have to depend on these companies. These are the type of companies that I want to invest in. So today, before we get into this video, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe to the video, and at the end, I'll tell you at what price I'll get into these companies as of today. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Trap with me. So first on the list is none other than Interactive Brokers, ticker symbol IBKR. Now, the company is up 40% year to date. The company is up 11% in 1 year, which means from this time last year to right now. And the company is up 384% in 5 years. That tells us that this company gives us a return for our money always. Now, here's what I love about this company. They're powerful, not just because of what they do, but who they cater to. Right? So a lot of beginner investors don't know about IBKR. A lot of beginning investors don't even understand what this platform is. But that's the sweet spot because their core audience is the hedge funds, the institutions, the 401ks, which tells us that their audience is consistently growing with them. So if you got a 401k, if you're a hedge fund, these are the people that you bank with. So they are the trading platform for the big dogs, right? The banks, right? And so that's what we love about them. Now, let's go a little further. The company operates in over 200 countries. It supports more than 150 market decisions. That means whether the markets are up or down, people go to them. And while other people focus on other brokerages, get their money from order flow, they actually get almost like a recurring revenue model from the bigger firms that are grandfathered in. They also are the lowest cost trading platform when it comes to trading. Nobody can beat them, right? That alone gives them a competitive advantage. Now, I wrote something down right here. This attracts money managers and high value clients because you got to think about it. The big people don't want to be on the Robinhood. They don't want to be on the E-Trade because they know that's where, we are, the retail traders. It's kind of like Goldman Sachs, right? These with a company like IBKR, International Brokers, because they become the hub, because they become the home for the upper network people, because they become the home for the hedge funds, and because they become the home for government, and they become the home for some of even our major banks that trade, because they become the home for some of those people, then that means they baked in. And then they start telling other people about it. But watch this. When it comes to IBKR, they are betting on the entire financial industry's growth. Watch this. The reason why I invest in them and I trade them often in options is because not only are they getting money when financials are doing good, but actually their earnings and revenue increase whether the market is doing bad or good. Because watch this. When the market is doing good, traders trade. When the market is doing bad, traders trade. People moving in and out. So they're getting money from both ways from traders. So I love this company. I think this is a strong company. I think this is a solid company. And guess what? At the time right now, let me get the actual price for you while I'm talking to you about this company, because I want to give it to you in real time. The stock price right now is $62. This is a company we should be looking to buy in August, 100%. We should be looking to buy this company. So put Interactive Brokers on your trading list right now. And at the end of this show, at the end of this episode, I'm going to give you a price. I'm going to get in. Let's go a little further. Now, next on the list, definitely going to catch you off guard. C Unlimited, ticker symbol SE. The stock is up 65% year to date and is up 147% in 1 year from last year, this time to this year. Now, here's what I like about them. As I check my notes, it says that is the Amazon and the PayPal of Southeast Asia, right? They have three main components where they make money. Shop E, which is their e-commerce. Garena, I hope I said that right, which is in gaming, and then C Money, which is their digital finance services, right? In the region where the internet adoption is exploding, they've planted themselves in every major way. Here's the crazy part about it. We're talking about in Asia, where South Asia, where the middle class is now exploded. They're gaining a middle class. People who have first-time money. Well, they're put themselves to be at the root of these people's decisions. Whether it's the Amazon, whether it's the gaming, whether it's the financial services, they put themselves in a position to win. Now, here's some more data for you. Over 650 million people in the population of Asia, they have a majority share of those people in the decisions that they make. Watch this. They dominate markets where competition is still fragmented. They've already beaten big names like Lazada in e-commerce. Now, Lazada is another big name in Asia. They have already taken them down. So this means that a company with a name like this that is now anchored to these people are killing it. Now, watch this. The stock price right now is about 174. Not mad at it. Came down from the high a little bit. I actually think we can get it at a better price. Now, they have this network effect where there are many places that can deliver everyday services. But watch this. You got to also think that the internet now is exploding in the parts of the world where this company is becoming dominant at. And so what I want us to realize is, I want us to think, how can we get exposure to companies that are actually dominant in other areas of the world? Areas of the world that we may not be all like locked into because all we see is America, but the company is on the American stock market. This matters because I want you to understand this. Fintech growing, e-commerce growing, gaming growing. These are three of the fastest growing industries in the game right now. Guess what? C Unlimited has access to a group of people that are now not just exploding, but also who are exploding in these fields, and they become the big dog. One of the things we got to do as investors is stick to the big dogs. Now, for me, let's go into the visual a little bit. I want to look at something because I want you to understand something, right? These stocks not just hype. These are low-key bangers. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go on this app right quick. I'm going to go on my trading view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put C Unlimited in, and then I'm going to see, I think a good price to get in C Unlimited would be, it'll be still on top of this thing. I think it'll bounce off 172. 174 was at the current price where it was at. I think you can get in at 172, and an even better price to get in if you really can get it with, no. Let me go back a little bit. I like it at one. Oh, this is a better price right here. Yep, that's it. If you can get it at 166, C Unlimited at 166 is 100% a great call for anybody that's trying to get it. 166 for C Unlimited. Now we talking about interactive brokers. This current price is $62. I'm thinking if you can get it at about $58, that's a great price to get in on international brokers. So C Unlimited, 166. International brokers on a pullback at $58. We've now found two great companies that are sleepers that will look great in our portfolio, long-term buy and hold that will serve us for the long term. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. If you like this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video. But comment in the chat to tell us how you feel about it. But remember, that's not me telling you about Bitcoin to go to. I'm not trying to take you to Telegram. I'm not trying to take you to WhatsApp. I'm not trying to take you nowhere but here on YouTube. Make sure you check out our show each and every Tuesday called Trapping Tuesday. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Salute.